Thou shalt not use milk powder for cornflakes. There is no law like that. It is not in the Ten Commandments. You can eat your cornflakes with your dry milk powder perfectly, like your normal liquid milk. Just warm 1 glass of water. Let it be lukewarm, around 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Bring it to the table and scoop 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 teaspoons of milk powder according to your budget. After scooping your dry milk powder, add the lukewarm water. After adding the lukewarm water, add sugar according to how often you want to visit your doctor or how soon you want to die. CornFlakes originated from United States of America, Michigan, in 1894. When your milk is ready, pour some of the cornflakes into your bowl according to the size of your stomach and begin to do justice to it. Please subscribe for. We have different types of pie. We have fish pie, pork pie, rabbit pie, meat pie, mushroom pie, spring onion pie, safubafo's pie. Seeing is believing, but tasting safubafo's pie is fantabruta. If you follow this safubafo's spring onion method, you would always thank me in your dream. Let's get started. The first ingredient you shall need is fresh spring onion. If you don't have one in your farm or in your garden, don't worry. Just go to the supermarket and buy fresh one. Sometimes the farmers don't have time to wash the fresh onion well, so you need to wash it by yourself. Otherwise, you are going to eat stones and gravel pies. After washing it well for me, congratulations! Add 1 or 2 glasses of water according to the water you are going to need to make the dough. If you are going